How to limit the editing of Word documents. Have you ever had a document that contains important information that should not be changed? If you want to find out how you can protect a document, stay until the end of the video. So let's get started. Okay, first of all, we will open the document we want. I will take this as an example. As you can see, the document has text that we want to protect from editing. To do that, select the Review section from the top menu. Here, among many options, we will find the Protect option and click on it. In the menu, we will select the option Restrict Editing. A small window will open on the right. Here we will select the checkbox in the second menu and select the No Changes, Read Only option. After that, we will click on the Yes, Start Enforcing Protection button. A window will open in which we can enter a password or select authentication. Enter the code and click OK. After that, try to change something in the document. As you can see, a window will appear on the right side to show you that it is forbidden. That is all. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.